Welcome back channels guys, got our Suzuki Vitara. I think that's the booster plate in for sure, we'll take this off and see what's underneath here. So we're going to do the oil, air, fuel, spark plugs, oil, air, spark plugs as well, the fuel filters, a lifetime filter on these apparently. So we're going to just like put the forte E10 fuel treatment in, take that cap off of there. Alright, just a pulley. There's a wee thing down here, there's a wee throttle body. Also, it's too big. Run, so it's not a bad one. I'll leave it on it and get a new one. So I've got a new fan filter. New NDK laser iridium plugs. So they are long life plugs, but 40k 2018 car, change them. They're all good. I'll show you maybe it goes on that way actually. With these guys, don't break them. So that's that back on, put that in front. £12.99 for these now, £12.99 gone. They're cheap ones. £12.99 British pounds. Got some gloves. Used to be like that, a box for 30 quid. That was a box for 12. So 12 times 300 per box. Good deal. You look at that. So, not bad little car, these Suzukis. I don't think this is the booster jet engine. Honestly, I had a Baleno as a company car. It was a 3-cylinder booster jet. It was actually really good. So, started taking these plugs out. So we just had the unclip. We could leave the rest of the coils plugged in, but number 4, just disconnect that one, just see if you take that bit of wire now. Just disconnect it, it's easier. And let's see. Oh aye, so well shifted up there. Probably wear and tear on to go on this wee. Not too bad, but they're suited up, so just get them changed. Yeah, same spark plugs, so we'll get these changed. Probably that E10 fuels now. Probably why they're suited. Not the best, don't like it. just sitted up. The car was running okay, it's just preventative maintenance. Customers looking after the vehicle. I actually smell the fuel just in here, I'm not sure what smell was it, but it doesn't smell great, the petrol. It smells like that. It doesn't smell as good as it used to. I'm messing about this bloody E10 stuff. As much octane as you can get me. Look at that, hope there's no misfires there. Should be all good. Oh good, the hood. One. That's better. Last fan. Got forte oil treatment on it. It's all looking quite clean under here. The wee cap's missing off the screen wash bottle, so that's better getting that. Just get a lot of crap in there, that'll choke pump up. So better get something on it. I'll put a wee cover on it, I think, just for the time being. Put on top of these human top meter. I'm going to suggest that's good. Right. Always take them back up. Can't unshear them. Crazy. Yep. Top to spec. Okay, we'll get that one made with the oil change. That's all done and dusted, all taken care of. For the bin now, those. Yep, so for the bin, get this oil pack. Lift it back in there. Get it click, nice positive click. There you go guys, that's how you get into your Suzuki Vitara smartphones. So, take that cover off, change your filter while you're there. Just need to tighten these down now. That was only one unclipped, the rest just all came out. So yeah, we'll get this up, get the oil change done, we'll get the forte in it, and we'll get the pads and disc done at the front, get the rear wheels off and clean grease, hopefully just the rear. So welcome back guys, we've got the Vitara. You can see we've got our Automotech drainer, drain all the oil out it. You can see this is on the back brake, so it's advised. That one's not too bad. That one's not too bad, it's this one here. You can just hear it squealing as well. They're quite problematic, these. They're not the easiest to fit, these pads, but they look fairly new, so I'm hoping they've just not been fitted well. They're quite tricky to get in, quite tight. And we'll get the front pads and discs done as well. So you see we've taken this cover off. Take that cover off, got a load of bolts in my joiner's pocket there, a load of screws. Just goes on that wee front section. And you can get the oily filter. You can get the oily filter off. We do have the forte advanced motor flush in this one. And I may give it the E10 treatment as well, to be honest. We'll see how much fuel's in it. I'm not a big fan of the new E10 fuels, to be honest. Van Suzuki all done. We did have a lot of interruptions, to be honest with you, so there's not been much filming. You can see I stripped and removed the brake pads which were seized in. Whoever did them was an animal. Same with that side, so I don't know if they'll squeal. The brake pad on this side was worn at an angle, so hopefully it doesn't make any squealing noises, but we've cleaned and greased up we could as best we could. The sides weren't even greased on it either, so that was bad patter. We've had this running for a long time and there's no leaks as well. We've cleaned all of that, I'll give that a wee clean actually. See that? That's just... is it oil maybe? I don't know. Ah, that's brake fluid for actually doing the pads, so somebody's obviously topped it up at some point. So, okay, it's ran down there and into there, so we'll definitely give that a little clean. So, I'll get my Apex pumpy bowl. Pumpy! I don't give a look at all clean that. Brake cleaner. Brake fluid's no good. No good for nobody. So, we'll get all that good cleaned in. I'll get a wee rag as well. Get a wee man's off school trousers. Aye. Just clean it all off because brake fluid just rots everything to death. Not good stuff. So, get as much of it off as we possibly can. Try our best to give the vehicles back in a better condition than it came in. So, yes, we'll try and get all that good clean. So, new P's and D's in the front. You can see a bit of coating on them, that's still to come off. Once we start breaking, that coating will come off. So, cleaned all them up. Hopefully that's just... yeah, hopefully that noise goes away. That one seems all good, so tyre pressure's all done, doors are all lubed up. Just this little cover to put back on, and I did give them all a wire wheel and get most of the corrosion off it. So yeah, so sorry again guys, but not a lot of filming on it, but there was even a couple of foreign people in. They were not Japanese, they were Chinese. Little language barrier there, but we got there in the end. Got there in the end. So we Suzuki Vitara all done.